Indigo Giagante, the enemy of the turkey. What's up, player? Come here, you big long leg. Look at the toes on that son, Bills. We got toes for days. This is partner in crime. They're always up in trouble. See that? Always up on stuff. If this guy ain't got feathers, he's got fur. No furry bastards. What you looking for, cat? Is that Cat Williams? Cat Williams. Oh, tell him, cat. Barbie ain't got shit on you, huh, cat? So you the Barbie of the chickens. You're eating poo-poo, bruh. Dude, did you hear the thump when he hit? Turkeys do not like it. Oh, we got a fluffer. Wing down. Hey! Turkey soldiers, man up! Dude, you're all up in the camera view. You want to be cambered, huh? Come here. Come here, little finger winger. Come here. That used to be my favorite little homie right there. But he don't ever come mess with me no more. His twin brother passed away. He used to come sit on my lap anytime I was around. Tell me. That was a rooster. Hey! Hey! Easy! Oh, fortified. Burger-fied. Here's your mama and your baby. These guys eat frogs whole. They eat one of them babies real easy. Oh, Ayam Cemani is right next to Catman food. Solid black. You better watch yourself, Catman. Don't let Cat Williams run you. Come here, I am. Come on, I am. Don't get fluffy. Look how long I am's feathers are on his throat. He can fluff them up like a straight soldier warrior. He flares up like what? For real? What do you think you gonna get out of that? Huh? What you getting out of that? That's what I said. Uh-oh, he finna get something. You see the wing down? Wing down, he finna mount something. He finna mount something, he gonna fight something. That's a dominant statue. Look how beautiful that guy is. Black eyes, black everything. If he had one black nail, one clear nail, it would be a flaw. This guy is flawless. What a beautiful bird. He will keep the hawks out the yard. Look at this little troublemaker right here. Little my butt, big troublemaker. He done ate all that poo-poo up there. She give me that poo-poo, man. Awesome. Oh, look at that pig. Beautiful creatures. Beautiful specimens. I can hear it now. From the south part of Mississippi brings you the most exotic, neurotic, insane chickens in the gazane. These chickens, man, they got the thing that most chickens ain't. And that's a leader that teaches. We got turkeys, we got ducks, we got quail, we got bucks. We got it all right here in one place. And there ain't no fighting, 'cause Juju keeps them on point. And that is my American bully. He's one of a kind. He does the job right. Tell you what, he raised all these guys from the egg on up. Look at that sky right here. I wonder if that's that chestnut. It must be the Ayam Cemani that had that chestnut look to it. That bleed through. I bet you anything that is. Look at that. It's like purple and gray. You always complaining, girl. I love you, but you always making lots of noise. Ooh. Oh. You a little close, buddy. You're getting a little close right there, don't you think? What's up, Buckaduckle? What'd you say? Oh, yeah. Turkey soldiers. That's my camera. Why are you all full of air? No! You got food and that one's got air. What's up with that? See, you gotta get up close and in with the birds. You gotta become part of the flock. Otherwise, they ain't gonna trust you. I spent many a nights out in the tent protecting these guys. Sleeping right next to me. No! No! Here's that guinea hybrid. One in a million right there. We got 4 of them, so 4 in a million. I'm gonna let him pick the lottery numbers. So they say that they don't breed, so I wonder if you breed those 4 together, what they would do. Stop barking at my birds! The hell's wrong with you? I'm going into my secret chambers. Y'all don't follow me, okay? Whoa. It's raining. Okay, I did that. See the heart? See the heart I did? That's love right there, big guy. None of these is ready yet. But soon they will be. I invented this madness. I haven't got touched by 1 drop of rain yet. Have you? But it's raining big time out there. Look at all this. See, I just pushed this metal thing, this wire up. It's just like this one, but I push it up right there, and then I can pick underneath all of them. Or I can just put a tarp underneath all this and then just shake it. I'm fitting to start putting something under it to catch all the ones that are falling. Because I see some that look ripe already. See, check me out. I can stand up in here. See that? It's beautiful, man. You stand up in here and pick the best one. You just gotta watch out for snakes. No. No. Just get a green. I went crazy for that shenanigans. Waited all year for this. Look, I still ain't got hit by 1 drop of rain. It's been raining a minute now. Nothing tastes that good. No kind of fruit ever. People make wine out of that. See, they're gonna get 10 times. They're gonna get way bigger than all of these. These are very tiny. They get so happy. and they fall off. I didn't water this thing. I didn't put any bug stuff on it. I didn't do any of that. It's just all natural. See, people told me everyone runs their thing one way, like a straight line off the ground. I said, why do it that way? It's under your feet, you goof. Alright, the rain is slowly starting to penetrate, so I'm out of here. Just one more look at all this beautiful stuff. It is God's beautiful creation with man's tameability. 7 years of work right here, guys. 7 years of work to get this guy exactly the way I want him. And as you can see the heart. It's so yucky. You can see the heart. You can see the love I put into it. We'll take it down the good day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit that bell. And pop that notification. Remember, through God, all things are possible. I love you. Peace.